Today we're gonna play Basket Battle, and yeah, I'm gonna play this game for my first try. I mean, first time, not first try. And we can tell by the cough I did not play this game first time, and you can tell by my gaming moves right now. This is not my first try. It's not my first time. But I wish I could do it in my first try. Ooh! Wait for my guy to teleport. Oh boy! I'm Mario! I'm Mickey Mouse! Oh boy! Oh, who wants to destroy my gang? My gang of Mickey guns! Ah, it's the Mickey gang! We have a Mickey gang! And I'm playing with my friend, and I'm probably gonna publish the video of doing the Mickey gang with my best friend, Snake Boy. And trust me, he's shout out to Snake Boy, my best friend. So yeah, oh boy. So we're gonna so today when we play VR, we are gonna do the Mickey gang. Maybe not today, maybe tomorrow, but you never know. You never know the schedule. So, Snake Boy, if you're seeing this video, and if you want to do this video, say yes in the comments. And if you want more Sonic CD, then look at the link in the description to see how to ask if you want more Sonic CD. You have to check the link in the description if you want to know how you want to have more Sonic CD. Oh, thank you, Mario. I guess. Yeah, join the Mickey game! What time is it? You're still here? Oh, join the Mickey gang at 6 at VR Chat. So yeah, here we go. Join the Mickey gang! Okay, that was weird. He's just there. Get out of here, Mickey! Fine! I know you're still there, Mickey. Fine! I'm leaving! Time to come to my world! Woo! Let me use my security cameras on my other phone. Okay, he's not around. He's at his world. I can see him. So yeah, if you guys want more Sonic CD, then you guys have to check on the link in the description to know how you can ask to get more Sonic CD. So yeah, just one more round. I know this is gonna be a short video. I want to be a long video. So one more round and then that's it. So yeah. Okay, this time it's gonna the next round is gonna be my last round. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed my videos and you want more Sonic CD, check the link in the description to see how. And yeah, I'm the king of this, and everybody's gonna know that. And yeah, Snake Boy, I'm repeating, if you want to do the Mickey Gang video, then you have to say yes in my comments. I know that you watch my videos because he literally said it. So yeah. Oh, look at this last shot. Oh wait. Oh, I win. Oh, so this is the last round. So yeah. Hope you agree with me. Let's do the Mickey gang. Trust me. This is not gonna be normal. It's not gonna be normal. And I'm not gonna be playing. Mickey Mouse is gonna be playing. Yay! Get out of my house! Fine! Sorry, and yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know this is a short video. It's because the last time I recorded this, it took like 16 minutes. And it only felt like 7 minutes for me. So yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to download Battle Basket, you can. And yeah. Oh, and whoever created this, I don't know if there's Battle Basket 2, but if you can please, if there is Battle Basket 2, then Battle Basket 3, if there is one. But if there isn't, it's the same thing with Battle Basket 3. If there's not a Battle Basket 2, please add multiplayer. I would like to destroy people from real life. So yeah, I'm looking forward to that, and yeah, hope you guys enjoy my videos. And yeah, peace!